Hello friends, in the previous video we have taught how to write the commands of the Java interface. So now we will learn how to accept values from the user and print it in the output terminal. So let's get started. First, all of us we know that we need to create the class name. Here we can first create the class name as accept. Uh, so then we need to double click, double right click over here, and this terminal is open. In this terminal, first of all you need to erase this sample because this sample is not used for now in your level. We have erased it. Now we will start, and first of all we need to enter the class name. Class, we have first write the class keyword and then write the class name as accept, then give second curly braces, then we need to give the main body where you need the code. You can write public static void main, then you give the curly braces again and then give enter. In this module I have already told that we will learn how to accept numbers, integers, strings from the user and print it in the output panel. So here we in these braces, single first brackets, inside these braces you need to, if you want to accept integer, then you want to write int, and we followed by int you have to give any variable of any type, a or b or t or q or s, any type. Okay, so we are accept the integer from the user in the variable s, stored in the variable s. Now we will now print this variable s in the output panel. So how can we use? We need to use the printing statement. What is that? System dot out dot print ln and followed by s double inverted quote. Inside double inverted quote we need to print a variable s equals to closing a double inverted quote, giving a plus sign and printing the variable s. These double inverted quotes, inside this whatever we write is printing the same in the output panel. So if you want to print something constant in the output panel, you have to want to give it inside the double inverted quotes and then closing the double inverted quotes and now printing the value stored in variable s. So you have to need giving by a plus sign and then variable s, then you need to close, give a semicolon. The program is now complete. Now we can check that if the program is run correctly or not. Yes, it is run, no errors is showing over here. It is fine and fit. You can see also that class compiled, no syntax error. That means the program is alright. Then you need to come over here, right click. You can see void main int s. Click over here. You can give any integer. Remember that it is an integer, not a decimal number. So you can give 12 or 20. Now see, here s is coming as 12. But remember, if you are giving here, you cannot give here as 20.55. This is incorrect because you are accepting a number as int, means integer. If you are accepting as double, then you can give this double, float. These all the uses point decimal numbers. But here you can only give 20, 30, 24, 34, or etc. See, so we can from here we can see that how to accept the number from the user and display it in the output terminal. Now we can also visit these variables. Now we can int, we can put the multiple of s, means a equals to s into s. After storing the value of s into s, multiplying the s, we can print, we can need to copy it from here, print ctl plus v, we need to copy first, then paste over here, and finally print the value of a. Now we can check if the program run correctly or not. So we again right click, void str, print 20, and we can see the s is equals to 20 and a is storing as 400. So means that our program runs correctly, and it is how you can accept a number from the user and print it over here. And now in this case, if you want to accept a string from the user, if you want to accept a sentence from the user, in that case you need to erase int and write string, which helps you to accept the sentence from the user. See how I am writing. Right click over here, string. You need to double enter I am a boy. Give a double inverted quotes to close it. If you are writing a sentence, you need to write it inside the double inverted quotes. This double inverted quotes is compulsory to writing a sentence. Now click on OK. You can see S equals to I am a boy. So if you accepting a string from sentence from the user, commonly known as string, this is how you can accept it by command line argument method. Thank you.